Today I'm taking a look at the Crazy King high-speed fan. So it comes with a bunch of detailing brushes, so if you need to clean out your car, you'll be able to get into all those little nooks and crannies. We got an instruction manual. And here is the duster. So it does come with the nozzle attached. This is a twist style lock. You can see the fan there in the back, and not a heck of a lot to see there in the front. We got our USB-C charging port there on the front, and our power button there on the back. We also have our charging cable. That's USB-A to USB-C. Okay. So that definitely has plenty of pressure behind it. So if we double tap, we got speed 1, speed 2, speed 3. Cool. So it is nice to know that we can have an intermittent speed, or we can have this thing just automatically run. Cool. So yeah. Very powerful duster, very handy. It's much better than those little compressed cans where you just have to have a whole bulk of them whenever you use one, you throw it out. This thing can just recharge it. And I really appreciate the amount of power behind it. So overall, that is a very nice duster.